Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. Guys, as you can see, I have here in this container a chicken that I'm about to cut up because we're gonna roast some chicken today. So guys, at this point I am about to cut up and clean, and here the chicken is cut up and I'm about to wash it with some vinegar. And while I wash, I'm going to be cleaning underneath the chicken, the skin and stuff. I allow the skin to stay on because I don't want the chicken to really burn. The skin here will serve as a protection. Okay guys, so guys, here I have honey, olive oil, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and salt and garlic as well that I had crushed. And also here are my powder seasonings. I have here table blends, Badaya complete seasoning, also one of my favorites, as well as the Maggi season up all purpose. This is my very much go-to, guys. And also I'll be using some jerk seasoning. I really like jerk seasoning as well. It is very flavorful. And now we're going to go right into it by rubbing the seasoning onto the chicken. As you can see, I'm sprinkling the chicken with 1 tablespoon of thyme, and the rest I'll be doing as well with the seasoning. So I'm basically using a tablespoon of each of the seasoning that I displayed, except for the salt and the grounded scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, at this point I am finished with rubbing on my powder seasonings, and now I'm gonna apply the garlic. You'll need about a half cup of freshly crushed garlic, and so I'm gonna be adding this to the chicken by rubbing it underneath the skin as much as possible. And so now I'll pour the olive oil onto the chicken. I do this so that the chicken can be tender. So guys, now that I'm through with doing all my seasonings and rubbing on the onion, all of that, it's now time to put this chicken in the baking container, and afterwards I will be leaving this to soak or marinate for half an hour, and then I'll just put it in the oven. For the finishing touch, guys, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit more of the seasoning onto the top of the chicken. So guys, it's been 30 minutes since I left this chicken to marinate. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven for 45 minutes at 425 degrees. So see you guys at presentation. And here you have it, guys, honey roasted garlic chicken with a baked potato, cheese, and steamed veggies to complement. Enjoy. So guys, if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Turn the post notification bell on so you won't miss any of my videos. Share this video, tell someone about Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. Until then, guys, I will see you in my next video. God loves you. Have a blessed remainder of your day. Bye.